Alright guys, so we are now out. We had picked out a countertop previously, but it was not big enough for us. So now we are out at the warehouse with Jonas and Salvador. What's up, Jonas?
What's up?
Salvador. And so this is the option. So we're gonna go look at another warehouse. Milagros. That is Jonas's wife. So right now we go to another warehouse. It's no. We're gonna go to another warehouse and take a look, but I think that other one we just looked at is a winter bay. I think if it just didn't have a honeycomb, but if it comes down to it.
Yeah, the little Jimmy crack corn, you know, they're just.
You don't think you get over it?
No, I'll get over it. Yeah, it's fine. It's you know, yeah, it's fine.
It's fine. Well, we'll make it work, guys. We'll find something. It's just we're just
gonna look a little bit more just to make sure, but I'm fine with that being it.
Okay, cool. So if everything doesn't work out, then that would be the one. But it matches our tile, our backsplash.
It matches which I really like.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a high priority.
Yeah, for sure.
So.
And the other tile that we originally, that they had picked out here first was blue gray.
Keep it like right here.
I don't want people to see my dimples.
So we can see them.
Ooh, she's such a hater. I like the crazy eyes. They cute though. That's not the crazy eyes. You don't know how to.
I do, but no, that was a real reaction.
You don't know how to replicate. You don't know how to replicate your crazy eyes.
Yes,
Every time you try, you always mess it up.
Means I'm bucking them.
No. Well, I don't know. It's your eyebrows. It's something with your eyebrow. You can't replicate the eyebrow thing. It just comes naturally whenever you just get excited.
Selfie stick.
Why you?
Well,
why you way back there?
I don't want to be up on people.
That's how it's supposed to be, dear. They can't hear you if you way back there.
Can.
No, they can't.
There's an echo.
Come here, dear. See there? That's much better. So yeah, guys, we're excited. I'm on my lunch break actually. I took an extended lunch plus PTO for an hour, so we're out and yeah, hopefully we find something. Well, no, we will find something. We already found something, but we're just gonna see if we can find better without the veins. All right.
That's right.
Jonas is the man. We get special treatment. See, Jonas. No, yeah, everyone do get this treatment, but we get even special treatment. Okay, hold on, Jonas. They found another one.
Do you say Monday?
Monday,
No,
Tuesday.
No.
All right, sorry. We'll be back, guys, at the next warehouse. I said what? I said Cade.
I said you don't just say what. What?
Oh, that's saying what? My bad. I apologize. Que quieres?
No.
All right, let me go, guys. We'll see y'all at the next warehouse if we don't find nothing. But let's see let's show y'all this stone.
Look here.
No gold, just straight gray.
It's kind of like gold.
It's gold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that one color gold or
It's a little bit of
little trickles? Oh, it got little trickles in it.
It has less of the honey.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I'll be better with the more bold gold over there and stronger lines, because those are faded lines, you know. No definition. Gracias, señora. I love you, babe. decision. We're gonna go with the one that we saw at the other warehouse.
Yep.
Okay, that's it. Simple enough. Milagros about to get a new car. Again. Yeah, okay, so that was simple enough. Now I can go eat. Because it's 11 o'clock. Yep, 11:26. It's my eating time. Feasting time, baby. But yeah.
Yeah, that was good.
It
I like
was.
to see a lot of different ones because it helps you know, like, oh, okay, yes, this is what I really want.
Do you like this?
Nope. No me gusta.
No me gusta? Me gusta, me no.
No.
Uh-oh, it might be something down here. Hold on. Salvador might have found something. Salvador is opening up.
What are you looking
Salvador is opening Pandora's box over here.
at? This stuff is stock.
No, this is just stock, girl. What you talking about? It's just different thickness. Look at this one. Babe, don't just be saying no.
I am looking at it. No. Dear, you're not showing them anything.
I'm showing them my face. All right, guys. Look, we just warehousing it up, and there go my beautiful baby. Oh, all right, y'all.
Okay, yeah.
So we found our slab. Now it's back to the work. So what we thinking? Probably about Monday, Tuesday,
Saturday?
Saturday. Saturday.
We'll make it happen. It's not Monday.
Okay, I told Jonas every time he give me a date, I'm always gonna say the day after. Or so we'll Monday. We don't work on Sundays, okay? So Monday. But if it's Saturday, woo woo, Jonas never lets us down. So yeah, that'll be exciting. All right, guys. See y'all mañana, cause that's it. No more work.